So, but do you know that disposable camera? What I said, this is for another video, so we gotta get this out of here. Yeah, it's gonna be on hold for now because my mom still needs it, and I might have to delay that episode. So yeah, today we have another thing to smash. Already broken clock. So instead of using a hammer, we're gonna be using a bat. It's really windy right now, so I basically have to do this quickly. Okay, that's gonna be my thumbnail photo. So I'm gonna get my back. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. It took forever to get it. Here it is. Ah, fuck! You hit my leg. The only thing left of it is this. So we're gonna be smashing that. Let me get the pieces that fell over there. So I didn't record the stuff that I threw away, but I threw it away. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys later.